AI workflows versus agents. Why workflows dominate in 2026. Today, we explore why workflows are the preferred choice for handling complex enterprise processes by 2026, equipping you with strategic insights for leveraging these systems. Welcome to our channel. Did you know that by 2026, AI workflows will dominate over agents in enterprises? Stick around as we dive into why workflows are taking the lead and how you can use them to gain a strategic advantage in your business operations.
Let's start by defining what AI workflows and agents actually are. An AI workflow is a system that handles complex, multi-step processes with precision, allowing for human-like decision-making at scale. It integrates various tasks into a seamless operation. On the other hand, an AI agent typically focuses on executing specific tasks autonomously, often without human intervention. While agents are excellent for simple, repetitive tasks, workflows are designed to manage more intricate operations that require a higher degree of control and customization. As we delve deeper, we'll see why these differences make workflows the preferred choice for enterprises.
One of the main advantages of AI workflows is their efficiency in handling complex tasks. Imagine a process that involves data collection, analysis, decision-making, and execution. Workflows can automate each stage, ensuring that every step is executed with precision and accuracy. This not only improves the overall efficiency but also reduces the potential for human error. Furthermore, workflows facilitate seamless collaboration between different departments, streamlining operations and boosting productivity across the board. As businesses grow and processes become more intricate, the ability to automate complex tasks becomes crucial, making workflows an invaluable tool. As your business grows, so does the complexity of your operations. AI workflows offer unparalleled scalability and flexibility, allowing you to adapt to changing operational needs without missing a beat. Whether you're expanding into new markets or scaling up your existing operations, workflows can be customized to fit your unique business model. They support dynamic scaling, especially in cloud environments, ensuring that your systems are always operating at optimal capacity. This scalability enhances your agility, enabling you to respond quickly to market changes and stay ahead of the competition.
In today's fast-paced business environment, adaptability is key. AI workflows are designed to evolve alongside your business, integrating new technologies and adjusting processes rapidly. This adaptability not only supports innovation but also gives you a competitive edge, allowing you to pivot quickly in response to market demands. Whether you're facing a sudden supply chain disruption or launching a new product line, workflows provide the resilience needed to navigate diverse market conditions successfully. Let's look at some real-world examples where AI workflows have made a significant impact. From the manufacturing sector to healthcare, businesses have successfully implemented workflows to streamline their operations. For instance, a leading automotive company used AI workflows to automate their supply chain processes, resulting in a 30% increase in efficiency. Similarly, a healthcare provider integrated workflows to manage patient data, improving patient outcomes and satisfaction. These success stories highlight the tangible benefits of workflows, providing valuable lessons for other businesses looking to enhance their operations. From a technical standpoint, AI workflows offer several advantages over agents. They are capable of handling complex data processing and analysis, making them ideal for businesses dealing with large datasets. Workflows can seamlessly integrate with your existing IT infrastructure, supporting advanced AI technologies such as machine learning and natural language processing. Moreover, they provide robust data security and ensure compliance with industry standards, protecting your business from potential risks. These technical capabilities make workflows a more attractive option for enterprises looking to enhance their operations. One of the key benefits of AI workflows is their ability to integrate seamlessly with existing business processes. By streamlining operations and reducing redundancies, workflows enhance collaboration across departments, ensuring that everyone is working towards the same goals. They also provide real-time insights, improving decision-making and facilitating strategic planning. With workflows in place, businesses can execute their strategies more effectively, ensuring that they remain competitive in an ever-changing market landscape.
As we look towards the future, several trends are emerging in the field of AI workflows. We can expect advancements in functionality, with workflows becoming even more sophisticated and capable of handling more complex tasks. These innovations will likely have a significant impact on various industries, from finance to logistics. As AI integration and automation continue to evolve, businesses will have new opportunities to leverage these advancements, driving efficiency and growth. Staying informed about these trends will be crucial for businesses looking to remain competitive in the future. In conclusion, AI workflows offer significant advantages over agents, especially in handling complex, multi-step processes. By understanding their strategic benefits and adapting to technological advancements, businesses can enhance their operations and stay competitive. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content for you.